In the middle of the countryside, surrounded by forests, lakes, and mountains, among roaming wild animals, gurgling creeks, and roaring waterfalls, there is a rustic but cozy cabin. It's called Fox Den. Upon the entrance, you find yourself in an open high-ceiling space flooded with natural light. There are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on the main level floor, and downstairs at the lower level a bedroom alcove and a game room. You'll find a master suite upstairs at the top level. You can start your day by taking a cup of hot, steaming coffee to the deck overlooking the mountains, and then cook a meal for an entire family in our well-stocked kitchen. In the evening, have a glass of local wine observing how sun is setting over the mountains and birds sing the last song of the day. Relax by a fireplace or have some fun with karaoke machine or at the ping pong table downstairs. Roast marshmallows and share some stories sitting around the fire ring built outside. You can watch the rain sitting in a rocking chair on the front porch or curl up on a comfy couch reading a favorite book wrapped in a cozy throw. Enjoy the views and sounds of nature all around you and the seasons as they come and go. And also watch out for special visitors like these guys. You are only 15 minutes away from enchanted town of Hallen, which is built as a replica to Bavarian alpine village. Stroll through the streets, buy some German souvenirs, taste some German food, and of course, German beer. Once you become overwhelmed by the crowds of Hallen, head out to the great outdoors. Hike among lakes, step onto the mountain path that will bring you to a secluded waterfall or a mossy creek.